Solving a fraction word problem using a linear equation of the form ax equals b. In your Aleks pie, mouse over the light green slice, Linear Equations and Inequalities, to reveal the drop-down list of topics you need to cover. Click on Solving a Fraction Word Problem using a Linear Equation of the form ax equals b. Here's an example problem. Ahmad is on his way home in his car. He has driven 8 miles so far, which is 1/4 of the way home. What is the total length of his drive? Let's click Explain. We can use an equation to model this problem. So we would take the fraction of the drive that Ahmad has driven so far times the total length of his drive equals the number of miles he has driven so far. We plug in the given values and we'll use the variable x for the unknown value. And so he's driven 1/4 of the way of the total. We don't know what the total is, but 1/4 of his drive is 8 miles. And so 1/4 times x is 1/4 x equals 8. And then to get x by itself, we can multiply by the reciprocal of 1/4, which is 4. And so 4 times 1/4 is 1x, or just x, on the left. And then on the right, 8 times 4 is 32. And so the total length of Ahmad's drive is 32 miles. Let's try another one. The yearbook club had a meeting. The meeting had 24 people, which is 2/3 of the club. How many people are in the club? Here are my notes. The original problem said that 2/3 of the yearbook club came to the meeting. 24 students attended. It wanted to know how many students total are in the club. And I just kind of paraphrase this from the original problem. And so to set it up, it's the fraction of the total equals how many students showed up to the meeting. And so the fraction they give us is 2/3 of the total. And so of means we're going to multiply. And we don't know the total. That's what we're trying to find. That's the unknown. And so we're going to give that the variable x. And so 2/3 of the total number of students in yearbook club came, and we know 24 students were in attendance. Or you'd say this 2/3 of the total is 24. And then I just solved for x. And so I multiplied both sides of the equation by the reciprocal for 2/3, which is 3/2, which makes this side 6/6, or 1x, or just x, equals, and then 24 times 3/2 is 36. And so there are 36 students total in yearbook club. In my Aleks screen, type in the answer that I got in my notes, 36, and click Next. And it says that I got the correct answer. Thanks for watching.